So it's given that the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth of radius r is g. The gain in potential energy of mass m raised from the surface to a height of 4r is. So over here we are considering that an object is raised to a height h, which is equal to nothing but 4r. So our aim is to find out what about the value of its change in potential energy. So you can write this change in potential energy is equal to potential energy final minus potential energy initial. Just take it as this is our final point and the surface has nothing but our initial point. So you can write the value of change in potential energy is equal to potential energy final is nothing but minus of gmm divided by distance we need to measure from the center of Earth. So this distance is r and the height is given as 4r, so the total distance is going to be 5r. So we can write that is equal to 5r minus potential energy on the surface of Earth is minus gmm divided by r. So we can find out the value of change in potential energy. So this can be written as, if you are taking this gmm divided by 5r minus of gmm by 5r, this minus it becomes plus gmm divided by r, or if I am taking this gmm by r as common, remaining thing is 1 minus 1 divided by 5. So we can write this is gmm divided by r into 5 minus 1, which is 4 divided by 5. So this will give the value of change in potential energy. But here we need to write this change in potential energy in terms of acceleration due to gravity. So what we'll do is we'll multiply it with r and divided by r. So we'll get as it is m into 4 divided by 5. So this is going to be gm by r square, gm divided by r square into r into m divided by 4 by 5. This gm by r square is nothing but g, acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So we can write it as g into r into m into 4 divided by 5.